Good evening students, again welcome back to our channel Ach'z. So in this video we are going to discuss about some essay questions for your practice purpose if you are appearing your test on 19th November 2022. So it's for academic and general module, and we already updated the complete prediction in detail for LRW section for academic and general, and these cards are applicable for morning and evening slot. That means these questions are for your practice purpose. Don't expect the question same like this, but you will get the same topic out from this. So let's do this. So the first one, human progress. 100 years ago, people think that human race is steadily improving in every area of life. Now it seems it is not certain in that situation. In which areas do you think we have made important progress nowadays? In which areas do you think we still need to make progress? It's coming under two-part type of question. You need to answer for both the part of the question. Next one, work and life balance. People aim to achieve a balance between their work and lives, but few people achieve it. What are the causes of this problem? How to overcome it? It's coming under problem solution essay. So the next topic, people and society. History tells that people often have thought about creating an ideal society, but most of the time fail in making this happen. What is your opinion about an ideal society? How can we create an ideal society? You need to answer for both the part of the question. Next one, tourism and lifestyle. Traditional lifestyle of local people in developing countries is attracting and increasing the number of tourists to the countries, which has the effect of preventing local people changing to modern ways. To what extent do you agree or disagree? You need to explain about the agreement and disagreement side in detail. Next one, job related to gender issues. Nowadays, some workplace turn to employ equal number of men and women workers. Do you think this is a positive or negative development? Either you can be in one side or else you can write about the positive and negative together. Next one, technology and traditional skills. With the increase in the use of mobile phones and computer, fewer people are writing letters. Some people think that the traditional skill of writing letters will disappear completely. To what extent do you agree or disagree? How important do you think is letter writing? Here also you need to explain both the part of the question in detail, okay, in two different body paragraph. Next one, environment related to natural resources. The increased world demand for oil, gas has made it necessary for locating these sources in remote and untouched natural areas. Do you think the advantages outweigh the disadvantages of damage in these natural areas? If you are doing like that, whether it is advantage or disadvantage, which one is more? So you can just give more importance to any particular side, and you need to write about both the side. Okay. Next one, international cooperation. Some people think the main benefits of international cooperation is to protection of the environment, while others think that the main benefit is in world business. Discuss both the argument and give your opinion. Discussion with opinion type. Next one, animal. Some people think that using animal for experimentation purpose is cruel, but other people think that it is necessary for the development of science. Discuss both the argument and give your opinion. So whenever they are asking discussion with opinion, try to give your opinion in detail in third body paragraph. Next, about language, some people think it is better for children to learn a foreign language at primary school than at secondary school. What's your opinion? Do you think the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? Coming under two-part type of question again, you need to answer for both the part. Next one, urban and rural areas. In many countries, good schools and medical facilities are available only in cities. Some people think new teachers and doctors should work in rural areas for a few years, but others think everyone should be free to choose where they work. Discuss both the argument and give your opinion in detail. Okay, so you can discuss both the sides and give your opinion in third body. Next one, education. The subjects and lesson content are decided by the authorities such as government. Some people argue that teachers or students should make the choices. Do you agree or disagree? So here the same question you can expect under to what extent you. So according to the way of asking, you need to answer for the question. So the next one, extracurricular activities. Full-time university students spend most of the time studying. They should be doing other activities too. To what extent do you agree or disagree? You need to explain about both the side. Okay, that means agreement and disagreement side. Next one, children and peer groups. Young people are often influenced in their behavior and situation by others of same age. This is called peer pressure. Do the disadvantages outweigh the advantages? Give importance to any one side, that means advantage or disadvantage, and try to write that in two different body paragraph and other side about one body. Next one, road traffic. In many cities and towns, the high volume of road traffic is a problem. What are the causes of that? What action could be taken to solve the problem? Coming under problem solution essay. Next one, media related to newspapers. Some people think news have no connection to people's lives. So then it is a waste of time to read the news in the newspaper and watch television news programs. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also you need to write about the agreement and disagreement side. Next one, old age. It is expected that there will be a higher proportion of old people than young people in the future in some countries. Do you think this is a positive or a negative development? Coming under opinion type, you can be in one side or you can write about positive and negative together. Next one, moving on to consumerism. The tendency of human beings to copy one another is shown the popularity of fashion in clothes and other consumer goods. Do you agree or disagree? Either you can agree or you can disagree, coming under one-sided opinion essay. Next one, related to buildings. The restoration of all building in major cities in the world involves a lot of government expenditure. This money should be used in new housing and road development. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also you need to write about the agreement and disagreement side. You can be in 50-50 approach or 60-40 approach. Okay. Next one, health and exercises. Some people prefer to go to health club and gym for healthcare, but some say that walking and climbing stairs are more effective. Discuss both the argument and give your opinion. You need to discuss both the part and try to give your opinion in detail. So try to collect some points in general. Okay. Next one, young people. Adult youth are often called up for working for the development of communities. Do you think they should work voluntarily or should they get paid? Give your opinion. So here it's coming under direct question. You need to answer for the question whether you are agreeing or not. Next one, rich and poor. Some people believe that the best way to produce a happier society is to ensure that there are only small difference between the richest and the poorest members. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Same like balanced opinion type essay. Next one, public spaces. It is important for all towns and cities to have large public outdoor spaces like squares and parks. To what extent do you agree or disagree? You need to explain about the importance of the squares, parks and all. Okay, about the large public spaces, agreement and disagreement side. Next one, education and technology. Some people say that the best way for children to learn to read is by using online materials. Others say that printed materials should be used. To discuss both the argument and give your opinion about online material and also about the printed materials and try to give your opinion. Next one, communication technology. More and more people are using mobile phones and the internet to communicate. Therefore, people are losing ability to communicate face to face. To what extent do you agree or disagree? You need to explain about the importance of these internet sources and also about the face to face communication. Next one, government role. Housing shortage in big cities can cause severe social consequences. Some people think only government action can solve this problem. To what extent do you agree or disagree? You need to write in support of government and just opposing. That means balanced opinion type essay. Next one, globalization. The spread of multinational companies and the increase in globalization produce positive effect for everyone. Do you agree or disagree? You need to write about the multinational companies, whether you are supporting it or opposing it. It's coming under one-sided opinion essay. Either you can agree or disagree. Next one, language and culture. In order to learn a language well, we should also learn about the country as well as the culture and lifestyle of the people who speak that language. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Next one, sports and games. Some people believe that the fittest and strongest individual and teams will always succeed in sports. Others think that success in sports depend on mental attitude. Discuss both the argument and give your opinion. So sports and games related questions you can expect. So try to collect some points. Occasionally only they are asking that particular topic. Next one, urbanization. The movement of people from agricultural areas to cities to work can cause serious problems in both places. What are the serious problems and what measures can be taken to solve the problem? Coming under problem solution essay. Sometimes they will give problems directly and ask for the cause and solution, or else they will give situation and ask for the problem and solution. Okay. Next one, people and society. Some people think that in the modern society, individuals are becoming more dependent on each other. Others think that they are independent of each other. Discuss both the argument and give your opinion whether they are dependent or not. Next one, related to shopping or online shopping, we can see more and more people do online shopping. Why is this the situation? What is the effect of online shopping on shops and community? You need to explain about the effect of both in shops and also the communities. Okay, problem solution. Next one, food. In many countries, people buy imported food rather than food produced locally. Why do people do that? How can people be encouraged to eat locally produced food? Again, problem solution essay. You need to explain what are the causes and also the solution. Next one, crime and media. In some countries, some of the criminal cases in the law courts are shown on the television so that the general public can watch them. Do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? If you think the advantages more means, try to arrange that into different body paragraph and third body about the disadvantages. Next one, healthy lifestyle. Some people think that the government should make laws regarding nutrition and healthy lifestyle, while others think that it is a matter of personal choice and personal responsibility. Discuss more the argument and give your opinion in third body paragraph. So the next topic is related to world issues. In that, unemployment related question or overpopulation related questions you can expect. Unemployment is getting increasingly serious in many countries. Some people think students only need to get primary education, while others think secondary education is necessary. To what extent do you agree or disagree? You need to write about the importance of primary education and also about the secondary education, coming under balanced opinion type essay. Next one, telecommuting. Many employees may work at home with the modern technology. Some people claim that it can only benefit workers, not the employees. Do you agree or disagree? One-sided opinion essay. Either you can agree or disagree. Next one, related to advertisement. Consumers are faced with increasing number of advertisements from competing companies. To what extent do you think are consumers influenced by advertisement? What measures can be taken to protect them? Coming under two-part type of question, you need to answer for both the part. Next one, related to entertainment, that is music related question. Some people think that music plays an important role in society. Others think it's just a form of entertainment. Discuss both the argument and give your opinion. So you need to write about the importance of music and just opposing side and try to give your opinion. Next one, internet related. In many countries, governments spend a large amount of money on improving internet access. Why is it happening? What are the reasons? Do you think this is the most appropriate use of government money? So you need to answer for both the part of the question. So the next topic, leisure activities. Some people say that parents should organize free time activities for their children. Others say children should be free to choose what they'd want to do in their free time. Discuss both the side and opine. You need to discuss both the side and opine. Next one, children and television. Studies suggest that children spend more time watching TV than they did in the past and spend less time on doing active or creative things. Why do you think this is the case? What measures and method can be used to tackle this? Coming under problem solution essay. Next one, government role in education and healthcare. Some people think that government should pay for healthcare and education, but other people claim that it is the individual responsibility. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Next one, materialism. It has been suggested that everyone in the world wants to own a car, a TV and a fridge. Do you think the disadvantages of such a development outweigh the advantages? So you need to give more attention towards any particular side. So the next topic, youngsters and celebrities. Nowadays, young people are admiring media and sports stars, even though they do not set a good example. Do you think this is a positive or negative development? So here you can be in one side or you can write about both the developmental sides. Next one, live away. In some countries, university students live far away from home in another city or country while studying. Do you think the disadvantages outweigh the advantages of this particular trend? So here also outweigh type of question. You need to give more attention towards any particular side. So arrange your body paragraph accordingly. Next one, space research. In the future, it seems it would be more difficult to live on Earth. Some people think more money should be spent researching on other planets to live, such as Mars. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Coming under balanced opinion type essay, give importance to agreement and disagreement side. Next one, related to architecture. Many countries construct modern buildings to give good view of towns and cities. Some people say that countries should make new buildings with the traditional style to preserve their culture as part of their identity. Do you agree or disagree? Either you can agree or you can disagree. Next one, related to arts. Towns and cities are attractive places. Some people suggest that the government should spend money putting in more works of art like painting and statues to make them better to live in. Do you agree or disagree? Here also coming under one-sided opinion essay. Either you can agree or you can disagree with the statement. Next one, related to information technology. More and more people are using computers and other electronic devices to access information. So printing of books, magazine and newspapers should not be done. Do you agree or disagree with this? Either you can agree or you can disagree with the point. So try to give relevant reason along with examples. Environment and human. Next topic, human activities have negative effect on plants and animal species. Some people think it is too late to do anything about this problem. Others believe that effective measures can be taken to improve the situation. Discuss both the argument and give your opinion in third body paragraph in detail. Moving on to the next topic, sports and games. Holding international games such as Olympic Games is an exciting event. Some people think it has positive effect while others believe that it's waste of money. Discuss both the argument and give your opinion in third body paragraph. So whenever they are asking discussion with opinion, arrange the third body paragraph. So it's mandatory. Next one, business and marketing. Large businesses have big budget for marketing and promotion, and as a result, people gravitate towards buying their product. What problems does it cause? What could be done to encourage people to buy local products? Coming under problem solution essay, you need to arrange the problems and also what will are the solution. Next one, under history. It is more important for school children to learn about local history than world history. To what extent do you agree or disagree? You need to write about the importance of local history and also about the world history. Next one, related to environment, that also pollution related questions. Some people think that amount of noise people make has to be controlled strictly. Others, however, say that people are free to make as much noise as they wish. Discuss both views and give your opinion. You need to discuss both the side and try to give your opinion in third body paragraph. Next one related to mobile phone. The use of mobile phone should be banned in public spaces such as libraries, transportation and shops. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Coming under balanced opinion type essay. Next one related to homeschooling. Some people believe that teaching children at home is best for child development, while others think that it is important for children to go to school. Discuss the advantage of both approaches and give your own opinion. Coming under discussion with opinion type of question. So the next topic, international aid or foreign aid. Some people think we need to give aid for all poor countries. Others, however, argue that we should not give international aid to countries with corruptions in their system. Discuss both the argument and give your opinion. Next one, related to work and that also related to salary package. Some countries pay extremely high salary for people. Some people believe that country must not do that and make a limit for the salaries. Do you agree or disagree? One-sided opinion essay. Next one related to information technology. Some people think that the government should establish free libraries in each town. Others believe that it is waste of money since people can access the internet at home to obtain information. Discuss both the argument and give your opinion. Next one, government and related to art sector. Okay, government funding in art sector. Government should focus the spending on public services rather than on arts such as music and painting. To what extent do you agree or disagree? The same question they will ask for, do you agree or disagree to you? Next one, media. Some people believe that radio is the best way to get news, while others believe that TV is better for this purpose. Discuss both the views and try to give your opinion. What do you think? Whether which media sources is better? Next one related to education, that also related to gap year. After completing high school and before going to college or university, some students take a year off either to work or study. So what do you think is better, traveling or working? Discuss the advantage and disadvantage of both approaches. Coming under discussion only type. So the next topic, tradition. Individual greed and selfishness has been the basis of the modern society. Some people think that we must return to the older and more traditional value of respect for the family and to the local community in order to create a better world to live in. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Next one related to food habits. Some people think that the government should subsidize fruits and vegetables to make healthy food cheaper. Others argue that tax should be given on unhealthy food. Discuss both the argument and give your opinion. Next one, transportation related. People have to spend more and more time to travel from their home for study and work. What are the reasons? How we can solve this problem? Coming under problem solution essay. You need to write the causes and solution. Next one, international travel. International travel makes people prejudiced rather than broad-minded. What are its causes? What measures can be done to solve this? Coming under problem solution again. Next one, economic development. Some people say that economic development is necessary to reduce the poverty in the world. Others say that economic growth should be stopped immediately to stop damaging the environment. Discuss both the argument and try to give your opinion. Then the next one, distance learning. Many people use distance learning programs to study at home, but some people believe that it cannot bring the benefit of attending college or university. To what extent do you agree or disagree? You need to write about the traditional classroom program and about the distance education. Next one, world issues. Some people say that industrial growth is necessary to solve poverty, but some other people argue that industrial growth is creating environmental problems and it should be stopped. Discuss both the argument and give your opinion. So the next one, environmental problems. Environmental problems such as pollution and climatic variations are increasing nowadays. The government have taken some measures at a global level, but they got only few solutions. Why is it so? How we can solve this problem? Coming under problem solution essay again. So the last topic, business related to marketing. In some countries, fast food restaurants and supermarkets give money to schools to promote their products. Do you think this is a positive or negative element? Either you can set it as a positive, negative, or both in together. So that's all about your essay questions. This is for academic and general, so I included somewhat more questions. So try to prepare with these questions. It will definitely help you out in your real exam. So all the very best and thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.